Good morning, everybody. This is Mario again. Anyway, pinag-usapan na natin kahapon. Gumawa ko ng video tungkol sa tinatawag nilang high-yield ETFs. So, nag-umpisa tayo. Pinag-usapan natin yung passive income. Bakit importante yung passive income? Pangalawa, pinag-usapan natin tungkol sa difference between income investing and growth investing. And then yesterday, pinag-usapan natin yung ETFs, which is called exchange-traded funds. Ngayon naman, tapos pinag-usapan rin natin ng ibang klaseng ETFs, ang tinatawag ng high-yield ETFs. Merong high-yield ETFs, meron ring growth ETFs. So the difference between that is growth ETFs, ginagawa nila is naghanap sila ng mga ETF na tumaas ang value. Tapos yung high yield ETFs naman, ang hinahanap nila is the income na mataas ang lalabas. So kung sasabihin mo merong mga iba-ibang klaseng ETFs rin na nagbibigay ng distribution, pero maliit lang, hanggang 4%, 5%, kung pinakamalaki 10% na nga eh. Pero may nagbibigay ng over 50%, 60%, 70%, meron nagbibigay ng 100%. And that's my target right now. Yan ang ginagawa ko ngayon, yung very very high yield, super mataas na distribution ang binibigay nila. So, pag-usapan natin, paano nila nagagawa yun? How this company, merong mga companies ngayon, there's about siguro between 20 to 30 ETFs na gumagawa ng high-yield ETFs. And lahat nun, they're managed by mga iba-ibang tao, nagmamanage, may mga manager nagmamanage sa kanila. And all they do is doing options on them. Alam mo naman yung options ang income sa options, kung alam mo ginagawa mo ha. Hindi ko ini-encourage mga tao na to play with options. Mahirap ang options. I tried options before and I lost money and I don't want to go back there. Pero kung may mga professionals like talagang mga managers na ganyan lang ang hanap buhay nila, then I don't mind paying their fees, mataas ang fees nila. So they're looking at like 1.4, over 1% na fees nila. Pero they deserve it. Kasi ang income na binibigay nila, mataas na mataas. From 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%, 90%. Kung meron yung mga iba, may 100%. So ibig sabihin nun, kung 100% yield ang binibigay nila, within 1 year, mababalik yung pera mo. So that's how good they are. So, ang ginagawa basically nila is they use covered calls to get those high premiums na nabibigay nila sa mga tao. So, remember, high yield is very risky. Kung you let the other people, mga manager, na to use your money and they're the ones sila maglalaro nun, and they use option as their base, and ginagamit din ng option is basically mga covered calls and selling puts. I'm gonna be talking about that in our next video. So pag-uusapan natin yan yung mga iba-ibang options na ginagawa nila, at saka ano pa ba. And remember, merong iba-ibang klaseng ETFs na nagbibigay ng high yield. Meron ring ETFs na nagbibigay ng maliit lang na distribution, pero they're going for the growth of the ETFs. Kasi remember, an ETF is parang stock yun. Na it works like a stock. Pwede mong i-buy, pwede mong ibenta, pwede mong i-hold, kagaya ng mga stock. So that's the difference. It's a basket of different stocks na ang managers nila magpipili ano nandun. Ang difference lang, itong mga high yield, dinalaro nila yung pera na yun using options. And that's about it. So hopefully may natutunan kayo ngayon. Pag-uusapan natin sunod ang mga different options, mga iba-ibang options, strategies na ginagawa nila. Thank you. Have a good day.